Hey guys, in today's video, I am super excited to share with you a fall collab I am part of with 7 lovely ladies. If you're curious to see what we have in store for this collab, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and today's video is going to be so super fun. Normally, I'm doing like unboxings of various different subscription services, and although I'm doing an unboxing today, it's going to be so much more fun than my subscription boxes. So a part of a collab that Pat from Blessed GMP put together. I'm sure you guys have heard me mention her name several times on this channel, and if you haven't made your way over to her channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. You need to jump over there and check her out. She has all kinds of fun stuff going on, including this collab. So there's several of us YouTubers in this collab, and we're sending each other boxes of things. We took like a little quiz to kind of let each other know what we were interested in, but we could not send makeup or skincare. So we had to get a little more creative with this, and we had to send something that was representative of the state that we live in. So now that I have all of that out of the way, why don't we just jump into what's in this box, because I so can't wait. Let's do that now. Okay guys, I feel like a little kid at Christmas time. Like as soon as this came in, I had to film this video because I need to see what's in this box. So here's my box. Woo, so exciting. It's so big and it feels so heavy. It is so full. So let's pop this puppy open and see what's inside. So we have a card on top. Let's open this card up. We didn't know who each other got in the collab, so that's kind of fun. Oh, look how fun this is. Look, we have a nice high heel shoe. Yes! Does that say Amber or does that say Amber? I'm just saying. Just need to put Amber right there on the heel. Good to go. All right, let's open this up. This says, "Dear Amber, I hope you have fun and enjoy everything. I enjoyed funding these things for you. I am glad that we are new YouTube friends, and I hope it grows even more. When this gets posted, I'll leave a comment if you have questions. I don't want to ruin the surprise by writing it in here. Much love, Linda Skidmore." So Linda is the one who got me in the collab. So I was not familiar with Linda's channel, so it's so fun to find new channels and find new people on YouTube. But Linda does a lot of unboxings, unbaggings. I saw some hauls on her channel, and she just has all kinds of fun stuff going on. So make sure that you go over and check out Linda's channel. I will also have everybody involved in this collab. I will have their video links in the description box below, so make sure you make your rounds and check out everybody's video. I got Jean Louise in this collab. I am so excited that I got Jean Louise because I watch her channel frequently, so I kind of feel like I know her, and I was trying so very hard to give her things that I thought that she would really like. So make sure that you check out all of the other unboxings, but make sure you go check out Jean's because I did custom made things for her. Okay, enough talking, enough rambling. Let's get into what's in this box. Okay, I'm super excited. All right, she's got some, purple. Linda, did you check out my channel and find out purple was my favorite color? I'm just saying. And this is only the tissue paper. I haven't even got to the stuff yet, guys. And I'm already excited. Okay, ooh, yay. Okay, so this is a stitch and zip. It's a pressed needle point. Awesome. So I put in my description of things that I said you could literally send me a box of junk. I mean, she could have sent me a box of literal like junk that she picked up off the street and I would have been ecstatic. Just saying. So this is going to be fun. I have never really done much needlepoint, so this will be a fun one for me to learn. And everything that is craft related, should there be anything in here, I'm definitely going to show you guys how I do this stuff later in another video. So we have this. And then she sent another one in here. This one is a coin purse. Ooh, super fun. This one has like a little heart on it. Ah, so cute. Okay, I don't know where to sit this stuff after I open it. I need more space. Okay, ooh, this is fun. This is an eyeglass or cell phone holder. Look how fun that one is. Yay! Can I pull it off though? I guess we're going to find out because I'm definitely going to have a video showing you how I'm going to attempt to do this. It'll be so much fun. Oh, Linda, thank you. And then we have one more. Ooh, this is fun. These are wind chimes. Ladybug wind chimes. Oh my gosh, how fun is that? That is so super fun. Yay! So I'm just gonna have to learn how to do this craft. That will be super fun in itself. I love learning new things, so this is great. Linda, thank you so much. Okay, so what else do we have in here? Ooh, this looks like some fabric. Yay! Oh my god, it looks like a crafter's box. You guys, I'm in heaven. Oh my gosh, we'll be here forever. Ooh, what does this say? Oh no, dear, I can see perfectly fine. I just wear these to make a fashion statement. Bam! Linda, did you watch my channel? I'm just saying. Oh, this is so cute. How fun is this? So there's several different sayings on this, it looks like. Yeah. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh, the possibilities. Oh my gosh. And look, she's wearing a purple dress. I can't. Oh my God, I can't. This is too much. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, this is so awesome. Oh my gosh, I'm super stoked. You have no idea how stoked I am. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one's like in a bag. Mysterious. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Oh, so this is a representative of the state that she lives in. Mountaineer Visions in verse. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so there's all kinds of little verses and things in here. Obviously, I'm not going to read all this to you, but this is nice. Okay, all right. And this is tell me a story or two or more. Oh, this is fun. Okay, so this is all kinds of like cool factual stuff about West Virginia, which is the state where Linda is from. This is cool. I love it. So super fun. West Virginia. Oh, Linda, you're kind of close to me. Give me a call. Maybe we should get together sometime. Let's do a video. Just saying. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to jump back into all this other fun stuff. Oh my God. You guys, I'm going to be here for ages. Oh my gosh, this video is going to be so long. She put so much stuff in here. Oh, stop it. Okay, guys, this is so cool. I mean, you guys won't get as excited as me unless you're a crafter. I mean, if you're a crafter, maybe you guys will. But guys, look, this is so cool. So these flowers, these little, they're not flowers, they're leaves. Oh my gosh, you can stick these in so many projects. I'm super excited. They have the, what is this called? A wire stem, so you can bend it any way you want to, stick it inside things. Oh my gosh, she sent me like a whole pack. Hello. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. You have no idea. This is so great. And she packaged this so nicely. Look, she has little like baggies for all of this stuff. This is so great. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, the possibilities. So I'm going to kind of sit this stuff right here, I guess, because I'm running out of room. What is this? Oh my God, you guys, I'm going to be here forever. She put so much stuff in here. Oh my gosh, Linda, you went nuts. What is in here? Eat as is coffee bean chocolate. Ooh, coffee bean chocolate. So you just eat it like it is. Ooh, okay. It smells good. Here you go. So she put some candy in there. I'm not going to eat it right now, but you better believe I'll be eating it later. How cute. Look at how cute this little bag is that it was in. Oh, the possibilities for the bag. I see like a little cute Santa sack or something. Oh, guys, this is how my brain works. I'm just saying. Okay, this is awesome. Oh my gosh, Linda, you like nailed it. You nailed it. Okay, so, oh yes, this is super fun too. So she has these are really cool to put inside things to weigh it down. And it's a nice decorative touch to put in the top of like your plants and things like that. Super fun. Love it. Great. Okay, so we have stamps in here. Yay! Okay, so these are happy birthday stamps. So we have like one that says happy birthday, you know, it kind of looks like that. Then we got a couple of balloons. Yay, so fun. So when you're doing like your birthday cards or maybe you're wrapping a birthday present, this is what you would use these for. Little stamp pad. Awesome. Loving it. So what's in here? Oh my gosh, you guys, this box is chock full. Linda, oh my goodness, you went cray cray. Which is awesome. I love every minute of it. This is so awesome. Okay, so let me open this up. Oh my gosh, I just can't. This is like, seriously, I don't need Christmas this year. This is it, okay? Oh my gosh, this one is wrapped so incredibly well. What do we have here? So it looks like it's obviously a magnet. And I'm not sure if you guys are going to see, but it's like a silhouette of a little girl. So this would be something that I would most likely paint or do something fun with. So awesome. And I need more magnets for my fridge. My kid is always making all kinds of stuff. So I'll definitely turn this into something, and you guys will definitely see everything that I use in this box. You will see it on the channel very soon. Promise you guys that. So this is pretty awesome. Yay! Okay, I'm just trying to set this stuff aside so I can blow through. Okay, more of those rocks. These ones, I feel like you guys can't see it when I hold it up like that. So these ones are like a cool blue color. Look at that. Yes, there's so many uses for these things, guys. Like, this is great. So there's tons of uses. Okay, what's in here? Oh my gosh. This box is so full of stuff. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to do. So these are wooden accents. This one here, I can't see what it says. It looks like, I'm not really sure. But it's a crafting wooden accent thing, which is super awesome. Oh wait, here we go. Looks like it could be like a sewing machine. Am I right? That's what it looks like. This one looks like a sewing machine to me. How fun is that? Because I'm always sewing and stuff. So cool. Okay, loving that. This is awesome. And there is like a whole bag of these. So this one's like a heart, and there's so many possibilities for these things, guys. Like that one looks like a sewing machine, but I could probably look at it some more and turn it into something else. You guys will just have to watch and find out what I do with all this super cool stuff that she sent me. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. You have no idea how awesome this is for me. Okay, so this is more wood stuff. Let's open this up here and kind of get, oh, snowmen. How cute. Look at this. Oh, this will be so cute. I make gift bows, so I could put these little snowmen on the gift bows. How cute will that be? Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. And then all kinds of more fun wood pieces in here. I'm not going to open up every single one for you because we're already here forever. Oh my gosh, there's little apples, oh my, the possibilities, you guys. Oh my gosh, the possibilities. Like, my head is spinning. I'm going to have dreams about what I'm going to do with all this stuff. How exciting. Okay, so let's move on. And this one, we have, ooh, this looks super pretty. Oh my gosh, this looks beautiful. So this one here is, oh, Believe in Miracle Christmas. So these are Guardian Angel pens. Oh my God. Ooh, she's going to make me cry. My grandma, she was super into Guardian Angel pens, and she gave me one shortly before she passed away and said that that was what would be her way of watching over me. So this is awesome. So I could probably give this to somebody special in my life because I love this type of thing. This was, oh, this is so pretty. Oh, look how pretty this one is. Oh, they're so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh, you have no idea. This is so, so awesome. Oh, wow. I love this. That one's the same, but this one here is a little different. And then we have this one here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Well, if I turn it this way, here we go. Oh, it is so pretty, you guys. Oh, it reminds me of my grandma. Oh, I miss her so much, you guys. I miss her so much. Okay, this is awesome. Oh my gosh. We'll try not to get emotional here. Ooh, these are fun. I'm going to open this up so you guys can see it. Well, you probably won't be as appreciative as me if you're not a crafter, but this is pretty friggin' awesome. Oh, I can have some ideas for these for sure. So this is like a trim that you would use on, I don't know, various different things you can use it on. But honestly, guys, yeah, on the picture here, it's so funny. I just saw it. I was thinking clothes. I'm going to use it on some clothes. So you'll probably see this on a DIY in the future. Probably pretty soon. Just saying. So this is awesome. Okay, we're getting to the bottom so I can sit this back in the box. Ooh, it's some nice little pine cones. Yay! Okay, so this is really awesome because I'm going to start Christmas crafting. So the pine cones, look at them. Little cute pine cones are going to come in handy for all of my Christmas crafts. And then this, oh, it's a bird's nest. Well, that's pretty cool. Look at that. That's awesome. You know, I was thinking about doing some cool little scene for Christmas with birds. So this would work really good with it. I was brainstorming on it. I was actually going to make my own nest. I don't need to. Linda provided the nest. Don't need to make one. Awesome. Oh, this is so fun, you guys. Okay, and then the grand finale. Bump and a bump. I think I hit everything. Yes. Okay. Awesome. She packaged this so nice. Everything's all individually, like in their own little thing. Oh, this is so awesome. Okay, this one has a little note on it, so let's check it out. 100% acrylic machine wash gentle or hand wash tumble dry. Lay flat. Do not hang dry. Yeah, you don't hang dry this kind of stuff. Look at oh, this is beautiful. Oh, it has like little pockets. Ooh, somebody put some work into this. Look at that. This is so awesome, you guys. Look at this. Oh, somebody put some awesome work into this. I can so appreciate this. You have no idea. This is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Linda, wow. I mean, wow. Did I say wow yet? Because wow! Look at how much stuff she sent me. The pricing that was between $20 and $30. I'm not sure if she went over. Kind of looks like she did. I don't know. But I am telling you what, everything that she sent me is amazing. My mind is already racing with ideas to make out of all of this stuff. Linda, you nailed it. I mean, you nailed it. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Like, I cannot wait to get started on making all of the things with this wonderful box of stuff that she sent to me. So again, make sure that you check out Linda's channel. She does all kinds of fun unboxings, unbaggings, hauls. I saw quite a few things on her channel. She's just a beautiful, beautiful lady. So make sure that you check her out. And also, don't forget to check out Pat from Blessed GMP. And again, there will be links to all of the other YouTubers included in this collab in my description box below. So make sure you click on their videos and check out all of their stuff that they got in their unboxings as well. I had Jean Louise, so make sure you check out that one. If you don't check out any other ones, make sure you check out Jean Louise, because I worked really hard on the items that I put in her box, and I hope that she appreciates the fact that everything was handmade. Well, not everything. Almost everything was handmade and specifically customized for her. So I hope she likes everything. I'm going to cross my fingers. Anytime you make something for somebody, you kind of hold your breath and hope for the best. So nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was such a fun collab. Pat, thank you so much for putting this together. Honestly, I would like to do this like once a month in place of a subscription box. I'm just saying, this would be a ton times more fun than a subscription box. I love it, love it, love it. Linda nailed it. Oh my gosh, I could talk for hours about this box. I'm so excited about it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did and you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. You don't want to miss all the fun stuff I'm going to make with all the items that Linda sent me in my box. So make sure you've done that. Click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for checking this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. This is wrong. I changed my intro. Do it again. Awesome. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazars. This isn't working. I need to work on my intro. Ah! All right, try it again. So I'm doing a collab with several other YouTubers, and we're sending each other boxes. And we took like a little quiz and things to figure out, I'm already rambling. Let's figure out what we're going to say and then shoot the video. Bam! Normally you see me doing all kinds of unboxings, some crazy DIYs, but today's video, I'm doing a collab with several. Let's open the box. Oh man.